Hello, I am Sonal Kellogg, and today we will be speaking to Flavia Agnes, a very well-known, eminent lawyer and women's rights activist and lawyer who has been working for years and decades, actually, for women's rights. And today we will get her views on the recent judgment. So I would first like to question you, Flavia, on this case of Guwahati IIT, where a Guwahati IIT student has got bail by the Guwahati High Court, saying that the student is a future state asset. How do you see it, and how will you comment on it?
Judges still hold very patriarchal values. See, giving bail is a right. Bail is not a punishment of the offense. When the investigations are over and charge sheet is filed, the accused becomes entitled to bail. I don't know the details of this case, and what the judge should have done is stay within the premise of the law, and whether the conditions for giving bail are prevalent there. These are all extraneous things. Whether you are a future asset, who is the future asset? Is the survivor future asset? Is the only accused future asset? Now, these kind of things have been going on. You've seen that famous case, I think in US somewhere, I think in California, I forget the details of the case, but this guy who was very bright and he raped this young lady, and on that basis, because he has got a good future ahead, the judge had given bail, and there was an international furor against it. This comments. Now here we see a similar situation where both are from IIT Guwahati. She's the survivor and she is the victim. If he's entitled to bail, he should be given a bail. I'm not talking on merit at all. I'm not talking whether he was entitled or he was not entitled. I'm just saying about the judge's mindset. When they make this kind of comments, which are totally unwanted, unwarranted, and a high court judge at that, expressing his misogynist views on women in general. Now, when you're sitting as a judge at the high court level, you're not expected to make these kind of gender-based gender derogatory comments, and particularly in a rape case where the survivor is suffering and she may have a lot of apprehension when this guy is out about her own safety, what's going to happen to her, etc., which she has a right to express when the hearing is going on. But most of the time, a victim is not informed that her case is being argued in the high court on behalf of the accused about bail situations. Had she been present in the court, or has she been represented in the court, the judge would have to hear her lawyer or herself in person saying that if he's given bail, this is what is going to happen to me, to my safety, to my peace of mind, etc. And when bail is given, there has to be conditions that he cannot go near her, he cannot tamper with evidence, he has to do all these kind of things. Now, we do not know if any of these things were done. All we know is that judge made this comment. And, sometimes media also sensationalizes. They pick up the most sensational part of the judgment and put it out. So we are not sure what else was there. But in this particular case, I feel that very strongly that judge had to stay within the confines of the law, within the requirements which he has to follow at the time of giving bail. Now, I don't think the judge has done that in this particular case. And that's what is sad thing. And this kind of comments, in fact, grab media attention. And there's so much of discussion on this. And we do not know exactly what the case was all about and what precautions did the judge give at the time of giving bail. These are, I think, very important things, since both of them are from the same institute. And he has agreed that there's a prima facie evidence that he may have committed rape. And in situation like this, even if he's granted bail, the judge was duty bound to put restrictions on him. And okay, I'm granting you bail under these conditions, and you have to obey the conditions. And if you don't obey the conditions, the bail should be cancelled. But we don't hear any of these things happening, and that is very disturbing at the high court level.
Okay, thanks a lot for that observation and your remarks.
Thanks for watching this video. Do share your comments on the video, like, and also subscribe to our channel, and make suggestions if you have any. Thank you.